Pak, dan kami yang di Salemba pun dihadiri dari Unsada juga, Pak. Jadi kami ada di Salemba dan Depok.
Terima kasih. Kita akan segera on air. Berikutnya UPN Veteran Jatim.
Ya, ada yang veteran?
Belum?
Ya, hadir.
Mantap Pak ya, pesertanya ya.
Iya, ini beberapa masih sedang perjalanan ke sini.
Baik, mohon bisa segera hadir. Selanjutnya Stimik Banjarbaru, Kalimantan Selatan.
Iya Pak, selamat pagi Pak.
Sudah hadir Pak peserta di sana?
Sudah Pak.
Siapa yang hadir Pak di Stimik Banjarbaru?
Semua unsur pimpinan sama program tadi Pak.
Siapa ya? Terima kasih. Selanjutnya STI Perbanas Surabaya. Perbanas? Bisa mendengar kami Perbanas? Tidak bisa mendengar. Berikutnya Stimik Amik Riau. Tidak bisa tersambung. Selanjutnya Udayana Denpasar. Apakah mendengar kami?
Itu Pak, SBET itu saya buatkan gini Pak.
Udayana belum. Unpas Pasundan
yang mahasiswaan
belum.
Terus sama umum
Diponegoro. Diponegoro
kan mengedit itu.
Waalaikumsalam.
Tidaknya memasukkan master dosen.
Ini ada
terus yang juga sama mahasiswa
ke atas.
Terus mahasiswa yang
ini
namanya baru. Ya. Terus nilai-nilai
tidak barikan seperti itu.
Sekarang harus dimasukkan ya. Dulu enggak ada.
Ya, terima kasih. Undip, apakah mendengar kami di Diponegoro, Semarang?
Ini yang baru lagi visi misi.
Diponegoro,
Visi misi lembaga, visi misi jurusan.
rekan-rekan,
Terus yang baru lagi.
yang lain mohon dimatikan dulu
sama dengan luar negeri.
mic-nya.
Mahasiswa luar negeri.
Kecuali yang kami panggil. Dinus, mohon dimatikan.
Minta data.
Dinus, mic Anda hidup. Dinus, mic Anda hidup. Mohon matikan, terima kasih. Selanjutnya Undip Diponegoro. Yang kami panggil mohon mic-nya dihidupkan. Diponegoro. Siap, terima kasih. Yang hadir siapa Pak? Lengkap, terima kasih. UNER, Airlangga.
UNER siap Bapak.
Siapa yang hadir Pak?
UNER siap.
Yang hadir di Surabaya siapa Pak?
UNER siap, yang hadir Wakil Dekan 1.
Terima kasih. Selanjutnya Unhas tidak tersambung. Stimik Banjarbaru, Kalsel belum. Stimik Banjarbaru. Baik, yang hadir siapa Pak di sana? Selanjutnya Unitomo.
Mbak Yudi nggak
Unitomo Surabaya.
Iya kan.
Unitomo Surabaya.
Itu yang linknya kan ya.
Belum.
Ada di mana nih?
Trunojoyo.
Lagi Vikan ini.
Trunojoyo. Selamat pagi.
Itu yang kita belum tahu.
Bangkalan Trunojoyo.
Tapi sekarang ini tolong dicek aja.
Universitas Trunojoyo.
Ya.
Silakan hidupkan mic Anda. Trunojoyo. Belum.
Oh gitu kali ya.
Universitas Gajah Mada, Jogja.
Oh ya.
Selamat pagi Jogja.
Oke. Lagi kan ada kita ini lagi.
UGM. Selamat pagi.
Oke. Iya.
Belum tersambung.
Sama
Widyagama Malang.
Widyagama.
Ya, Widyagama.
Ada Pak.
Terima kasih. Siapa yang hadir di sana Pak? Lengkap.
Bapak
Siapa yang hadir?
Wakil Rektor sudah hadir. Wakil
Terima
Rektor
kasih.
nanti menyusul para dekan Pak.
Selamat pagi Pak. Selanjutnya Tadulako. Untat
Sedang connecting.
sedang connect.
Ya. UGM sedang connecting.
Brawijaya UB.
UB ada.
Apakah mendengar kami UB? Tersambung. Siapa yang hadir di sana Pak? UB kosong.
Sedang menghubungi pejabat tapi akan segera datang Pak.
Kami drop dulu kalau belum ada orang. Amik Medan.
Amik Medan sedang trial.
Politeknik Jember.
Connect.
Poli C. Selamat pagi Politeknik. Siapa yang hadir? Selamat pagi. Siapa yang hadir, Pak? Masih kosong. Ayo masuk kosong sekarang, Pak ya. Mohon untuk hadir, Pak. Mohon untuk hadir. Kita segera on air.
Ya, Pak, terima kasih.
Binus. Selamat pagi, Binus. Selamat pagi, Binus. Binus, selamat pagi.
Binus connect ini tadi.
Binus, selamat pagi. Binus, sekarang Anda boleh hidupkan mic Anda.
Oh. Malah ini dia. Tadi ngomong terus dia.
Selamat pagi, Binus. Silakan hidupkan mic Anda sekarang. Halo. 11 Maret, UNS.
Halo, UNS, siap.
Siap. Sudah hadir semua, Pak ya. Terima kasih. Selamat pagi. Selanjutnya, Poli Bandung. Poli Negeri Bandung. Belum. Baik.
VDLN drop dulu aja. Ini VDLN ya.
VDLN drop sebentar.
Ini VDLN ini yang
Di Pak Yudi koordinasikan dari sini saja. Saya di bawah. Di atas.
Oh, di atas.
Iya.
Jadi
Langsung di call aja sekarang. Sekarang di call.
Oke, sudah saya call ini.
Sudah. Jadi tertayang di atas ya.
Iya.
Mas ya.
Oke.
Aduh. rekan-rekan sekalian, silakan untuk apakah rekan-rekan dengan suara kami? Selamat pagi, rekan-rekan sekalian. Apakah suara kami bisa didengar? Rekan-rekan sekalian, Undip, apakah bisa mendengar suara kami?
Bisa Pak, jelas.
Bisa, ya. Coba tanya. Terima kasih. Binus, apakah bisa mendengar suara kami, Binus? Universitas Terbuka, apakah bisa mendengar suara kami? UT?
Bisa Pak, UT bisa menerima suara dari Dikti dengan baik Pak.
Terima kasih. Baik, kita akan mulai acara pagi ini dengan sambutan dari Pak Dirjen. Dilanjutkan nanti paparan dari rekan-rekan delegasi dari Cina. Silahkan Pak Dirjen.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi dan salam sejahtera. Rekan-rekan sekalian, pagi ini, ya terima kasih. Pagi ini kita berbahagia menerima kedatangan dari delegasi dari Republik Rakyat Tiongkok yang merupakan asosiasi dari kerjasama luar negeri di bidang pendidikan. Memang asosiasi ini bukan hanya pendidikan tinggi, tapi di seluruh jenjang. Tapi untuk acara pagi ini kita akan memfokuskan peluang-peluang kerjasama dan program apa yang mereka bisa tawarkan di dalam kerjasama untuk pendidikan tinggi. Rekan-rekan sekalian, kita sudah melakukan berbagai kerjasama sebetulnya dengan berbagai perguruan tinggi di Cina, baik kerjasama di tingkat universitas dengan universitas U2U. Di Dikti pun juga memfasilitasi beberapa kerjasama yang diinisiasi oleh tingkat departemennya, dan juga ada kerjasama antara local government ya, jadi misalnya provinsi tertentu di Cina dengan perguruan tinggi atau dinas kita. Nah, kita berharap berbagai kerjasama ini akan berkembang terus. Karena itu kita merasa berbahagia kedatangan tim ini. Kita saat ini sudah bekerja sama dalam pembelajaran bahasa. Kita sudah mengirim dosen-dosen ke sana, magang di sana, dan beberapa dosen mereka sebagai volunteer mengajar bahasa Mandarin sudah ada di Indonesia. Kita sudah bekerja sama di bidang pendidikan di sekolah menengah, yaitu dengan mendapatkan 80 orang guru volunteers dari Cina mengajar di SMA dan SMK di seluruh Indonesia, dan itu dibiayai penuh oleh Cina selama 1 tahun sebagai native teachers. Nah, karena itulah kita berharap juga di tingkat perguruan tinggi bukan hanya di bidang bahasa dan budaya saja, tapi juga di berbagai bidang keilmuan yang lain. Untuk itu nanti akan kita dengar apa program-program yang bisa dikerjasamakan. Madam Wu, I just introduce your team to our colleague from all over Indonesia, and we do expect that your presentation will give some information on the potential of cooperation between Indonesia and China, and the modalities of cooperation, and also by the end of this video conference, we do expect that some tangible action plan can be agreed, and then the follow-up can also be pursued. Please, Madam, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Director General. So it's my pleasure, and also it's a pleasure for my team members. So have the chance to visit your to give you a very brief introduction of my team. Education exchange and cooperation in the field of education. It is not just including for the higher education, and also including some international activities in basic education, vocational and adult education as well. So then I will to give you Professor Ho is from northeast of China. Is working is the university called.
Can you?
The person is Professor Ho is in charge
Like
of
film star, ya?
for the university called Ansan University, Ansan Normal University. Although you may see that is for the teacher training courses, but now it developed a lot. They do offer the teacher training courses also to train teachers, but they are also involved in other subjects as well. So the gentleman you will see beside him are already introduced is Mr. Yu. No, Mr. Yu, working for the Yunnan University.
Like Jackie Chan,
And the person just moved. The person is. You can move the picture. Yeah. No, the person. Yeah, just wave the hand. Yeah, is from Jiangxi province. Is working for the in charge. Working for the education department of Jiangxi government, also in charge of international exchanges and cooperation. In Jiangxi, there were around more than 40 universities. So there's a lot of opportunity to take place between the universities in Jiangxi. And the person beside him just with the glass, and from Sichuan province. In Sichuan province, there were about 70, right? 70, yeah. Well, 60, more than 60 universities, 76 universities in Sichuan. So there are also, you will see, both these already my colleagues, working for the same association. Ms. Feng is, I think, is the right person that you should know her, because she is in charge of Asia and Atlantic affairs in our association. So mainly in charge of a lot of international exchange activities between China, between our association, and also with universities in Asia and Atlantic regions. So I think perhaps you should remember her. If you have anything, you can contact her directly. I think she will leave your email for you. So if you have any questions or some things would need some help and assistance, you can contact her directly. For sure, my colleagues, although we didn't have any chance to talk to you person to person, we just through the video conference, but my colleagues all will leave your email for you. That is a good way to communicate, because I believe today, this morning, the time is not long enough for us to talk each other. So this is just a brief introduction of my team. So as the delegation, my team to your country, especially to come in this time, I would say this is this is the first time for all of us to your country, but your country already, left us a good impression, although we just arrived yesterday. So we were so eager to meet you, our radio colleagues, to talk about cooperation and exchanges. So as the purpose of our visit is to seek the possibility of exchange and cooperation between our association and also some association in Indonesia. I was told that there's a state university association and also private university association. We do hope through our visit we can learn something between the associations, our association with yours. And also we do hope through our visit, we hope that we'll make some, contact or exchanges between the universities, our university with your university, not just even as a province, because we have 2 representatives from the provinces. So they may have, have contact with you. You can, through them, to have some contact with the universities located in these 2 provinces. So we think as a proposal, perhaps our association also as the university concerned, as a province concerned, we have some, idea. Perhaps I think the first, perhaps we can develop some cooperative program in language training or vocational education training or even teachers training as well. Because I think so. I think in my team there's a person from Yunnan University and also Ansan Normal University. They have a very strong point in this field, and also as the 2 provinces, they have a lot of resources, because as just now I explained, in these 2 provinces about 100 universities. Those universities, they also have their characteristics, so they can offer some language training or even training in the vocational education. So, and the second, perhaps we think we may conduct a lot of some various program of language and cultural exchange activities, including some summer camp, not just summer camp, or we call this study tour. They learn the language, but also they can learn the culture. China is a so large country. There are a lot of, when you visit different cities, you will find that there are a lot of differences. So it's a very rich culture. So that is another way for people to know each other. And as I think, if you want to work together, I think university, we call this is a university to university, or we will call the institution links, is a very good, very effective ways between our Chinese university and with your university. We may set up some links between the universities. Then there will be carried out some exchange of students, faculties, or academic, including academic or professional exchange. Even, perhaps we can run some program or joint program for the students. The fourth, and then we think perhaps we may can offer a lot of our university also can offer some courses for foreign students, not just for the Chinese language or Chinese medicine. There are also our universities, they do offer some courses for foreign students in English. So I think that perhaps we can promote some, it's really called academic exchange, or we call some degree study, no matter in China and also in Indonesia. And the last, I will say, and the last perhaps we also can have some, activities. Sure, that will be on the university to university level, but also that can be nationwide. We can have some, conference, symposium, some training program, not just in one university. Perhaps we can work together, have such kind of activities, including as many as possible the representatives from different universities. That our association can to do the coordination work or some organized work for such kind of activities. And then last I would say, and just now, Director General of Higher Education also mentioned about Confucius Institute, also Confucius teaching class. So there's also some possibility of Chinese university work together with Indonesian universities to set up or run the Confucius institutions together. So this is, I would say, is just a brief of what we are here and what we think we may do in the future between our association with some organization in Indonesia and also our Chinese universities with your university. Especially today, there are so many people take part in the video conference. We think this is really a good opportunity for us to meet you, to talk to you, and to know each other. And also, thank you again for the preparation for the individual conference. Thank you again for your participation for that. And I think that this is a brief introduction of what I think what I say, and then we are, and also including my members of the team, will be ready to talk to you and make dialogue between each other.
Okay.
Thank you.
Before we invite the participation from the our participants, can Professor Ho and other from the provincial government give some example of the cooperation that are already established at university level or facilitated by provincial level? Professor Ho, tolong di apa ya?
简单这个，你想有什么项目？开展的合作，已经开展的项目，哪些项目觉得可以跟国外进行合作？就是你想的，就是现在有的，还有现在有的，对，你们已经做了些什么跟国外的？学校，然后呢，省里面可以讲省里的事情。你主要讲你学校的吧，就现在已经做了，还以后想。简单的吧，不要说太多。还有那个秘书阿姨给你介绍了。
非常高兴来到印度尼西亚。我是来自中国北方的一所大学。
I'm very happy to visit Indonesia. I'm from northeast part of China. It's located in the Liaoning province.
我们这所大学成立于1958年。
It's founded in the 1958.
但是在我们国内还属于一个中小型的大学。
It's belong to the, the middle or small size university.
我们学校目前有36个专业，覆盖了7个学科门类。
到哪儿？这个吧。
对。
不说了吧。So far, there 多少？刚才你说的哪个
？36个专业，7个学科门类。
So far, there are 20 advanced vocational programs in 7 subjects in my university.
学校与各国还有其他国外的友好学校也建立了一定的关系，也例如姊妹学校，随便说。
We have already established working relationship with 大概20多个 about 20